Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to delete a Google account from all devices. First of all, open up the Gmail application on your phone. Once you are in your Gmail account, head to the three lines from the top left corner. Then scroll down here and head to Settings. After that, go into your Gmail account. Now from your account, you need to manage it. Then get back to your Gmail account and tap on your profile icon from the top right corner. Tap to the Manage Your Google Account option. After that, go into the Security option of your account. Now scroll down here and tap to Manage All Devices. Then, you will find all devices where your account has been logged in. So, tap on any of the following devices from here if you want to delete your account. Now tap on the Sign Out button and then your account will be deleted from that device. Then, get back and tap on the Web Device option. You will find the Delete All Connections option from here. So, tap to delete the connections that you have with your web devices. Hit the confirm button and then your account will be deleted from all the devices. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.